You don't have to quit Duolingo to learn Spanish. The real problem is vocabulary without context. Duolingo gives you practice, but without context, it feels like running in circles. New words every day, instantly forgotten. Awkward phrases that no one actually says. Grammar rules that don't match what you hear. No wonder your Spanish feels stuck. I was frustrated too until I tried ShadowCastApp.com. For the first time, I could use what I learned on Duolingo and finally feel progress. Here's why it works. Audio plus text together. You hear and read at the same time, so everything clicks. Thrilling stories like the Fox Hollow Farm, built with the 2,000 most common Spanish words. Just 15 minutes a day. Pop-up translations and synchronized transcripts keep you focused. The result? I went from bored drills to actually understanding a full story in Spanish. My focus improved, my comprehension grew, and I felt immersed, like my Spanish was finally alive. Combine the time you've already spent on Duolingo with ShadowCastApp.com. You'll realize this is the missing piece that turns practice into real fluency.